Hey guys, let's work on SOL 8.5. So for the first question, we have to find the value of x. Well, we can see that 9x and the angle across from it that doesn't have anything, these two angles are vertical angles, and we can tell because it has the x in between. So this is the same as 9x. And we know that if we put these three angles together, we get a straight angle, which equals 180 degrees. So we can write down on our paper that 9x plus 22 plus 41 has to equal 180. So 9x plus 22 plus 41 is 63 equals 180. That's a two-step equation. So I can draw my railroad tracks. I can subtract 63 from both sides and use my calculator. So go up here and we're going to do 180 minus 63. We get 117. So 9x equals 117. And then we're going to take our answer and we're going to divide it by 9. And we can see that the answer is 13. So x equals 13. So we're going to choose C because we're just finding the value of x. X is 13. All right. Number 2, what is the measure of angle DFE? So let's look. DFE. DFE is this angle right here. Well, let's see what we can figure out. This angle is 70, which means this angle is 70. But other than that, we don't know anything. We can't figure out, we can't put these two angles together. Well, actually, we could put those two angles together. If I put these two angles together, that equals 180. And 180 minus 70, so this one is 110. But this angle here, we don't know how it's split. So the best choice for this one is cannot be determined. Number 3, which of the statements is true? Oh, and we've got to select all the correct answers. So there may be more than one correct answer. Which of these statements is true? Okay, first one, angle EFD and angle BFC are vertical. Well, let's look. EFD is right here, and BFC is right here. Well, they're not exactly vertical, so that is not a true statement. So we don't want to pick letter A. Letter B, angle EFD equals 50 degrees. EFD equals 50 degrees. Well, we can figure that out because we know that BFA and EFD are vertical angles. And if this angle right here is 90, then I can figure out the measure of this angle because 90 plus 40, let's do that, 90 plus 40 is 130, and then we subtract that from 180. So that means that this angle is 50, and these two are vertical, so this is true. Okay, all right, let's keep going. Angle CFB, that's this 40-degree angle, and EFD are complementary. Complementary are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. So if I add 40 plus 50, I do get 90. So that is true. And then CFB, that's this angle right here with the 40, is adjacent to AFE. AFE. Adjacent means side by side. They're not adjacent to each other. Adjacent would be CFB and BFA. They would be adjacent to each other. So the answer for number 3 is B and C. All right, let's go up to number 4.